Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Now, people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only using one because if you're just starting, you're probably only going to get one account. Now, I kind of want to show you the type of results you'll get with minimum effort, you know what I mean? So you may get more than me, you may get less than me, but around the time, you should get something around what I'm getting. All right, guys? So anyway, if you're interested in following along, make sure to check out the links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and that's because essentially it's a funnel builder. It has a couple of other things that come with it, but it's a funnel builder. And it's a very good funnel builder with no limitations on it at all. You can make as many funnels you want. You can make them in. And if you know what a funnel builder is, it's basically something that any marketer needs to make a lot of money. And so it shows you how to use it and everything. It's very easy to use, very easy to connect domains, all that good stuff, right? So, and it's only $25 a month. No limitations, guys. The most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, and it is $97 per month. And it has a ton of limitations. And if you want to get rid of them, that's $300. All right, guys. So that's the first reason. And the second reason why I like promoting it. And I think you guys are interested in this reason, like I was interested in this reason. And the most important reason, in my opinion, is its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. This is the highest I have ever seen. Nothing is even close to that. All right, guys. The highest I've seen so far is 40. 80 is insane. All right, guys. You're interested? You make a lot of money real quick with 80%. All right, guys. And no other system I've looked, nothing is higher than 80%, guys. Not 80, especially not 80% recurring income. You might see initial sales around 80%, but any recurring sales is gonna go down to like 10-15%. But 80% recurring, that means every single month you get 80%. That's insane. Honestly, I don't even know how they making money. But anyway, guys, let's get to it, guys. All right, so first, let's look at our results here. Let's see what's going on. All right, guys, it looks like we got, nah, this is a recurring. This is a recurring. So we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, But like I mentioned, man, you get these huge recurring incomes like this right here, $100 every month. This is $100 every month. This one $100. These are recurring incomes, guys. I'm getting paid this every month, possibly for the rest of my life. That's crazy. Possibly for the rest of my life. When you think about it like that, it seems like just an easy concept to like promote this product and fit money into promoting it, or promoting it any way you can, you know. But we only stick to one easy, simple way to do it. All right, so also when somebody show you results, make sure they refresh the page, because it's very easy to turn these numbers around to whatever I want them to be. And any other numbers on any other page, when they show you results, make sure they refresh it, but that reset it back to its normal basic setting and show you the real results. But anyway, guys, let's go on to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're just gonna send the next email here. Maybe we make a new email today. Let's see. What's our next email? Okay. The results in instant 20. We'll just go with this one. We'll just go ahead and go with this one. Maybe we'll make a new email next time, since the email cycle restarts right here. So we're gonna just do this one next. All right, guys. So yeah, it basically talks about your, you know, what I just said basically, and you can just copy the email. Let's see, let's go copy that, pause it, copy. It's a very short email. See how fast that was. Get started, you build your income, you put your link right there. Let me let me show you what link you want to go with. All in one $25 business, because this right here promotes $20 recurring commissions and $100 recurring commissions. It promotes both of them. It actually promotes 3 products. One is a $500 product you can buy right away within 3 days, and you still get the 80% recurring if they buy that. So you'll get $400 out of that $500. And they got 1,000. Like it's on sale for 3 days. For the first 3 days, you pay $500. You can pay $500 to get it, but after that, you gotta pay $1,000 to get it. And sometimes they have deals on it later on where you could pay $600 to get it. But for the most part, if you want it, go ahead and get it for $500. That's the cheapest it's ever gonna be. All right, guys. Anyway, we're gonna keep it moving here. An email preview. Let's look at the preview here. And you want to make sure your link works. All right, so I know mine works because I ain't really change anything. You could put your signal or whatever. Pick perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check emails, and then you just send the email because you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy to do, and you do this every day, and you'll build up to the last month. I made about $600, so you'll build up. You're building up slowly. The first month, I can't remember how much I made on my first month, but the second month I made about $400. Last month I made $600, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna beat that this month. It might not be much higher, but I should beat it this month, guys, because it got more sales this month, so I should make more. Anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. If you're interested in following along, make sure to hit that link in the description below to sign up for it. Best affiliate program on the planet right now. Make sure to hit the like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.